Are you tired of missing deliveries or visitors because you couldn't hear the doorbell? Do you have a noisy environment or someone in your household with hearing difficulties like I do? Then this wireless doorbell kit is for you. This is the model WC180SS. It's from Safeguard Supply, and it's the perfect solution for missed opportunities. It comes with a bright, flashing strobe light that lights up the room, and believe it or not, it has 58 chimes and melodies to choose from. You'll never miss a visitor or a delivery again. So let's take a closer look. Introducing the WC180SS wireless doorbell kit. It's designed for clear and reliable notifications. Here's what makes it stand out. This LED strobe light is so bright it lights up the room, so you'll never miss a visitor or a delivery again. This built-in strobe light flashes 15 times per ring, and it's perfect for noisy environments or the hearing impaired. It has 58 chimes and melodies, and if you notice, there's no wires, which means no hassle. You simply plug in the receiver to any outlet and mount the push button next to the door outside. You can use anchor screws or the adhesive tape that it comes with. The wireless range extends up to 600 feet, and this is going to ensure that you can hear the chime and see the flashing from across your home or your business. You can purchase more push buttons to cover more entrances and assign different chimes to each of them so that you know where the visitor or your delivery is. You can also purchase multiple receivers for larger properties so that every area is covered. There are thousands of privacy codes to prevent interference with other wireless systems used in the privacy settings. So let's set it up. Setting up the WC180SS is a breeze. All you have to do is plug in the receiver to a wall outlet, preferably where you can see the light and hear the chime. Choose a chime or melody by pressing the music change button on the receiver. Now, if it's flashing, you may need to turn up the volume by pressing the volume button. As you can see, you can control the volume to be very loud or very soft, or not at all. Okay, so now let's choose a chime melody by pressing the music change button on the receiver and cycle through the chimes to choose one. Once you hear the sound that you want, then you're done. Next, we're going to put the receiver in pairing mode by pressing and holding the volume control button for 5 seconds. You'll hear a short ding-dong and LED strobe will start flashing. This means that the receiver is in program mode. When you're ready to sync, remove the plastic tab from the push button to activate the battery, and then press the center of the button to sync it together. You will see that the doorbell receiver will flash and play the selected melody that you chose. Now let's test it out. Find a spot where you want to mount it, and in this case it will be where the old push button was, and for demonstration's sake I will use the adhesive tape. The great thing about the WC180SS is that it's customizable, like the volume control or the 58 chimes and melodies. And if you have a low battery, it has a low battery indicator that when you push the button, it starts flashing. That way you'll never be caught off guard. But these batteries are built to last. And lastly, you can expand your system to multiple entrances because it works with other SS series of transmitters and sensors by Safeguard Supply. So there you go. You'll never miss another visitor or delivery at your door again. So get yourself the WC180SS wireless chime and strobe light today and enjoy the peace of mind knowing that you'll always be alerted when visitors are at your door. Order now from Safeguard Supply and experience the difference.